As a project management expert, I understand the critical role that efficient financial management plays in the success of any project and the overall health of a business. Keeping track of income, expenses, and cash flow isn't just about accounting. It's about having a clear financial overview that informs strategic decisions, manages resources effectively, and ultimately contributes to achieving project goals within budget. In today's dynamic business landscape, numerous software solutions cater to these financial management needs. Among them, Zoho Books stands out as a comprehensive and user-friendly accounting platform, particularly popular among small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs. But which specific types of companies are finding value in Zoho Books? Let's delve into the diverse range of industries and businesses that are leveraging this powerful tool to streamline their financial operations and enhance their project success. The appeal of Zoho Books, a project manager's perspective. Before we explore specific company types, it's important to understand why a platform like Zoho Books resonates with businesses across various sectors. From a project management standpoint, its key advantages include integrated financial management. Zoho Books offers a holistic view of a company's finances, encompassing invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, project accounting, and more. This integration eliminates the need for disparate systems, saving time and reducing the risk of errors, crucial for maintaining project budgets and profitability. Project accounting capabilities. This is a significant draw for project-based businesses. Zoho Books allows for the creation of projects, tracking billable hours, managing project-related expenses, and generating project-specific invoices. This granular level of financial control is essential for monitoring project costs and ensuring profitability. Efficient invoicing and payment tracking. Timely and accurate invoicing is vital for maintaining healthy cash flow, which directly impacts a project's ability to proceed smoothly. Zoho Books simplifies the invoicing process, allows for customizable templates, and facilitates online payments, accelerating the payment cycle. Expense management. Keeping a close eye on project-related expenses is paramount for staying within budget. Zoho Books enables easy recording and categorization of expenses, receipt attachments, and even automated expense reporting, providing a clear picture of where project funds are being allocated. Reporting and analytics. Access to insightful financial reports is crucial for making informed decisions. Zoho Books offers a range of reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and project profitability reports, empowering project managers and business owners to track performance and identify areas for improvement. Scalability and affordability. Zoho Books offers various pricing plans, making it accessible to businesses of different sizes and budgets. Its scalability ensures that the platform can grow alongside the company, accommodating increasing complexity and transaction volumes. Integration with other tools. Zoho Books seamlessly integrates with other Zoho applications, like Zoho CRM, Zoho Projects, and Zoho People, and a wide range of third-party tools, creating a unified business management ecosystem. This is particularly beneficial for project-oriented businesses that rely on multiple software solutions. Who is embracing Zoho Books? A look at diverse industries. Given these compelling features, it's no surprise that a wide array of companies are adopting Zoho Books. Here's a closer look at some of the key sectors and business types that are finding significant value in this platform. 1. Freelancers and independent contractors. For solo professionals, managing their finances can be a time-consuming burden. Zoho Books simplifies invoicing, tracks expenses, and provides a clear overview of their financial health, allowing them to focus more on their core services and project delivery. Whether it's a freelance writer, a graphic designer, or a software consultant, Zoho Books helps them manage their income and expenses efficiently. 2. Small and medium-sized businesses, SMBs. This is arguably the sweet spot for Zoho Books. SMBs across various industries, from retail and e-commerce to marketing agencies and IT services, find its comprehensive features and affordable pricing particularly attractive. Zoho Books provides them with the financial management tools they need to grow without the complexity and cost associated with enterprise-level accounting software. 3. Service-based businesses. Companies that primarily offer services, such as consulting firms, marketing agencies, web development companies, and creative agencies, heavily rely on accurate time tracking and project-based billing. Zoho Book's project accounting features, including time tracking, expense management, and project invoicing, are invaluable for these businesses to manage client projects effectively and ensure accurate billing. 4. E-commerce businesses. Online retailers need to manage sales, track inventory costs, and handle online payments efficiently. Zoho Books integrates with popular e-commerce platforms, allowing for seamless synchronization of sales data, inventory management, and expense tracking, providing a unified view of their financial performance. 5. Nonprofit organizations. Even nonprofits require robust financial management to track donations, manage grants, and ensure compliance. Zoho Books offers features that cater to the specific needs of nonprofits, such as fund accounting and donation tracking, helping them manage their finances transparently and efficiently. 6. Construction and trades. Businesses in the construction and trades industries often deal with complex project costing, material expenses, and subcontractor payments. Zoho Books' project accounting capabilities help them track these costs accurately, manage invoices for different project phases, and maintain profitability on each project. 7. Manufacturing companies. Manufacturers need to track raw material costs, production expenses, and sales revenue. Zoho Books can help them manage their inventory, track manufacturing costs, and generate invoices, providing a clear picture of their profitability and financial health. 8. Technology startups. For early-stage tech companies with limited resources, Zoho Books offers an affordable and scalable solution for managing their finances. Its integration capabilities also allow it to connect with other essential tools they might be using, such as CRM and project management software. 9. Educational institutions. For specific departments or projects. While large educational institutions might have complex enterprise resource planning, ERP, systems, individual departments or specific projects within these institutions can benefit from the focused financial management capabilities of Zoho Books for managing budgets, tracking expenses, and handling project-related finances. 10. Healthcare practices, small clinics, and specialized services. Smaller healthcare practices and specialized service providers can use Zoho Books for managing patient billing, tracking expenses, and generating financial reports, helping them maintain a healthy financial standing.